Men go wild for women who do these 10 little things. Have you ever wondered how certain ladies appear to effortlessly win a man's heart? I must correct you if you believe that this is the result of luck or the fact that they appear to be models on a runway. These ladies are skilled at seducing guys, and it has nothing to do with how attractive they are on the outside. Making a guy crazy is not at all difficult. All you need is a little time and persistence. So, here's the trick to doing it if you want to discover how to quickly make a man fall in love with you. Women who have mastered enticing men to fall for them understand that these 10 tiny tips are the key. 1. Avoid insecurity. Insecurity is a highly unappealing quality in a girlfriend. If a guy is with you, he thinks you're stunning. Being insecure and moaning about your appearance may be rather irritating. So, if you meet new guys or enter into a relationship, maintain a confident demeanor. 2. Do not take his place. As much as I preach equality, there are some roles that you just cannot play when you're in a good relationship. When you enable a man to demonstrate his manhood, he will take the initiative. You should be grateful when he intervenes and helps you in any manner. 3. Always be pretty. Many women let themselves go when they marry since they already have their man. You must not abandon yourself. If you used to go to the salon to get your hair done before getting married, keep doing it. You should continue to be smart if you were intelligent when he first met you. 4. Be low maintenance. Evaluate the sort of guy you are with first. Some men enjoy showering you with gifts, watching you get dressed, and engaging in other high-maintenance behaviors. Most guys, however, will not want to feel obligated to compensate for your high-maintenance requirements. If you want to keep the flame burning between you and your boyfriend, learn to go with the flow and not sweat the minor stuff. 5. Make him work for it. Playing hard to get won't go too far, but neither should make things too simple for him. Show him that you won't settle for just anybody and that you'll only be with someone who respects you the way you deserve to be treated. 6. Learn about his interests. Take a moment to listen to him and leave your own world behind. Find out what he likes to do, what his favorite dish is, and how many siblings he has. Men appreciate partners who can listen. 7. Put the heels away and embark on an adventure. Allow him to see your entire personality. Plan a couple of outdoor experiences in addition to your nights at home, dinner reservations, and movie outings. Ride bikes, go on a hike, or engage in a game of basketball together. 8. Show your appreciation. Always be polite and say thank you. Women who express their gratitude are adored by men. 9. Make yourself unique. There are plenty of lovely women out there. You must do something that distinguishes you from them. Find something one of a kind and go with it. 10. Just be yourself. Last but not least, just be authentic. Try not to copy a superstar you watched on television once. Be yourself and earn his respect. Remember that no matter how crazy you are for him, you must always keep your cool and give him room to win you. If you are successful in doing this, he will most certainly be passionately, madly, and profoundly in love with you. Do you want to find out what men secretly want in a woman? Click the first link in the video description. Thanks for watching.